We continue to draw 10 shares. You can familiarize yourself with the terms of the draw on the company's official Facebook page. Now there is an active increase of the growth of foreign investors. We remind you that we continue to pre-order the balm. You have the opportunity to pre-order a balm at the lowest price. Since we are launching our own production, we can adjust the price ourselves. For all investors who order the balm during the pre-order period, the company will pay for the delivery. At the last webinar, there was a question about wholesale of balm. When buying from 30 bottles, the discount is 10%. From 150 bottles, 15%. From 300 bottles, 20%. If someone wants to become a representative of our company in the region, then you can make a purchase at the wholesale price. Partner statuses in our company. We have various partner statuses that are assigned depending on the achievement of certain parameters. At the moment, it's possible to obtain this status according to a simplified scheme. Partner status. If your personal purchase exceeds $1,500, then without taking into account group purchases, you can obtain the partner status. This system does not work automatically. You need to make a request via live chat on our website, and you will be assigned this status. If for general marketing, then a personal purchase should be $750 and the amount from attracted investments. Silver status. According to this status, only 100 places have been allocated. At the moment, there are 67 places left. In order to obtain this status in a simplified manner, it's necessary that a personal purchase should be from $2,000 plus a group purchase in the first line from $3,000. The second option to acquire this status is a personal purchase of $5,000 or more, and then group purchases are not considered. Gold status. 50 places were allocated for this status, 40 remained. A simplified version is a personal purchase of $5,000 plus a group purchase on the first line of $20,000. The second option is a personal purchase of $15,000 or more. The advantages of the silver status are additionally increased bonus percentages on attracted investments. Also, after the start of production, you will receive one course of the drug for free. In the future, you will have a plastic discount card with a 10% discount on all products of the company. Advantages of the gold status. After the start of the production, you receive 3 courses of the drug as a gift and a plastic card with a 15% discount on all products of the company. Advantages of the platinum status. After the start of production, you receive 5 courses of the drug as a gift and a plastic card with a 20% discount. Additional advantages of the gold and platinum statuses. At the end of project financing, the company will distribute 90,000 shares between partners of these statuses. The distribution will take place in a proportion of 1 to 3. That is, holders of the platinum status will receive shares 3 times more than holders of the gold statuses. The new design of our site is completely finished. Now the layout of the site is underway. At the end of this week or at the beginning of the next week, the site will be completely ready. An advanced payment was paid for the production of concentrate of medicinal plants. The production process is already running. The technologist told us that the production of our order will be completed within 2 weeks. Today we paid for part of equipment for the production. The licensing process for our product continues. It's theoretically possible that the first batch of the drug will be ready by July 15. A video review after the course of treatment of the drug. In early January, I learned about my diagnosis, an ovarian cyst. There was a question about oncology. Unfortunately, I learned about BELM late. The operation was performed on February 11th. I underwent a hysterectomy, after which the immunity was very low and herpes appeared. And then I found out about the BELM. I drank a bottle of BELM and the herpes virus disappeared. My immunity increased. I went to work. The second bottle was not started. On May 22, I experienced stress, as a result of which a fever rised and herpes immediately appeared. I'm starting to take balm. Now I have confirmed the COVID-19 virus, but thanks to the balm, I do not suffocate, I have no cough, shortness of breath, and I can stand the virus in a mild form. I take the balm twice a day and feel great.